Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Jay Kuma. Today we're going to be talking about how you get six-pack abs. It's something that I get asked about frequently, but I've never really made a formal introduction on the topic. I am kind of setting a bad example for you guys today because I have this fucking large-ass Frappuccino that I've been sipping on all morning. So don't follow my lead on this, but everything else, I got you covered. I got you down packed on that. So today, that's what we're going to do. Get six-pack abs. I got you. Short little workouts. Let's get it. All right, guys. So the first thing we're going to get into are some mountain climbers. Every exercise that we do is going to be about 45 seconds long, and this you can do at home. Obviously, I'm outside today just because I want to get some fresh air, but none of this involves equipment. You can add equipment if you want. It makes it more intense, but for me and for us today, we're going to go without equipment. So yeah, let's get to it. Let's work out these abs. Six-pack abs. All right, so with mountain climbers, remember, you want to bring your knees all the way up and all that stuff so you can activate the obliques. Again, probably for about 45 seconds or so. And let's get to it, guys. All right, mountain climbers. All right, guys, 45 seconds. Pretty intense for a beginning workout, huh? All right, so we just finished up the mountain climbers. Let's move on to the holy grail, the Russian twist. These can suck. We're gonna do it for about 45 to 50 seconds. So let's get to it. Make sure your legs are elevated, and when you go side to side, make sure you get a good rotation here. That's how you really activate the obliques and all that stuff like that. Let's get started. Ready? All right, Russian twist complete. Next workout, bicycle crunches. Now, these can be a bit more difficult under high intensity, but all you're gonna do here is get on your butt, and you're going to have your legs elevated, and you're going to rotate like you're on a bicycle. You're going to do like this, like you're riding a bike. And that's what we're gonna do for about 45 seconds, okay? Let's do it. Guys, if you're not feeling a burn by now, you just aren't human. You should really be feeling this right now, guys. But we're gonna keep hustling. Let's get this next one in. All right, guys, so for this next one, I'm gonna do these leg holds, leg raise holds. Now, these are some killers, especially after that bicycle crunches. Your abs should be on fire right now. So we're gonna jump right into these. What you're going to do is you're going to, again, have your legs elevated, and you want to activate. If you check here, you can see how the abs are activated. They're activated here because you're holding them up. You're going to keep your torso kind of leaned back and straight, and you're going to do that for about 45 seconds. So let's jump into it, guys. Woo, man. Guys, that is rough. Especially like following the bicycle crunches. Like, man, my abs are on fire right now. But we got a few more left to do. No punks around here, so let's get on to the next one. All right, guys, so the next workout is gonna be jumping knee raises. We're getting to a lot more intensity now, a lot more active. So you should start breathing hard and all that stuff. These are gonna be a little difficult because you're gonna be bringing that knee, you're gonna be jumping high, bringing the knees up to your chest. Again, for about 45 seconds. All right, let's get to it. Ready? Let's go. Guys, and we're not even done yet. Fuck. All right, let's keep going. Whew. All right, guys, so as you can see, I'm all sweaty, I'm breathing hard, I'm exhausted. That's what we want. The next workout we're gonna do, we're gonna keep up that intensity, keep up the movement, the momentum. We're gonna be doing leg raises, or knee raises as we go forward. Now you're gonna twist as you bring that knee up, because again, it's all about activating the abs, the obliques. That's really all there is to it. 45 seconds. Let's go. Let's get it. You gotta pay to play, baby. Let's get it. Guys, I feel good. You feel good? Let's do it. Next workout. Let's go. Whew, guys, as you can see, I'm sweaty. The next workout we're about to do, we're gonna sit back down. I know we're doing a lot of moving around. I know I said be active. We're gonna be sitting there. Do not take it for granted. This next workout is no slouch. Okay, I'm about to show you what I'm talking about. We're gonna be doing like leg extension / crunches. You're gonna extend them out. Okay, you hold it, bring them back. Okay, you do a few of those, you're gonna know what I'm talking about, especially after the last workouts we've been doing. This on top of those, it's a real ab burner. But again, like I said, you gotta pay to play, baby. So we're gonna knock up a few of these out. 45 seconds for these. We're almost done, guys. Let's keep it up. Let's go. go. Woo. I didn't think I was gonna make it at first, guys. That's rough, dude. That's rough. You see how much I'm sweating right now? I mean, it is like 80 degrees outside too, but aside from that, I am really getting a good workout. I'm doing this for you guys. I'm doing this for YouTube. I'm doing this for the views. All right, next workout, let's go. All right, guys, so we made it. We're into the last workout. You made it. Like I said, you don't have to do a lot when it comes to abs. It's just very simple, very straightforward. But when you do work on the abs, you have to be intense. You have to do it with intention. Activate the abs. That's what's gonna get you the six-pack abs, on top of some other stuff we'll talk about later. But so this last workout that we're gonna do, you're gonna do swipes here. Now I'm gonna be walking forward these, but you can stay stationary if you like. But basically, I'm just gonna be doing like this. And now notice how when I bring the knee across the body here. Okay, and I'm twisting when I do it, then I whip the knee out. Doom, 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 okay? 45 seconds, last one, let's go. Woo, man. Good ab workout. Thanks for coming to my YouTube ab workout experience. Yeah. All right, guys, so it's really all there is to it. Like I say, when it comes to ab workouts, you don't have to do a lot, and you don't want to do a lot because it doesn't take a bunch. You want to maybe do a good ab workout routine, maybe 3 or 4 times a week at the most. They don't have to be long durations, just really short, really intense. Now, as you know, as you probably have heard, what really matters is how you eat. It's a lifestyle thing. And so I'd recommend, on top of doing this maybe 3 or 4 times a week, watch what you eat in the kitchen. Don't get large frappuccinos from Starbucks like I had earlier. Do not do that. But also running. Do a lot of running. I do a lot of running, maybe running. I run maybe 10 miles a week at the most, or at the least. And so I highly recommend doing that. But it's just a combination of doing the ab workouts a few times a week, eating right, lifestyle, and maybe doing some other intensity stuff like running. And you'll have abs in no time. See you guys.